Hi there! So finally we have the Samsung Galaxy S10. In this video we're going to do an unboxing and initial impressions. God, I'm so excited. So many new features and upgrades. Triple camera setup, so now it has the wide camera, the telephoto camera and the super wide camera. The ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, well, that's the first in any smartphone, something to look out for. And the punch hole design in the Samsung Galaxy S10, which has just a single punch, so I think it's going to look like an infinity display. No notch, should be beautiful. So to know all about it in detail, continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So finally, here is the S10 box, and on the top you can say it mentions 71,000, but it's available for around 66,000. This is the Prism white color. Let's see what's on the back. Okay, this is a 128 GB version and Indian SIM card only. Alright, let's quickly unbox this. First thing on the top is the phone, and that's a beautiful white pearl color. You can see the Samsung branding. Okay, you have a charger. The charger is a fast charger. That's good, 9 watts by 1.6. That's an OTG connector, also included in the box. What is this? Alright, you have the USB-C to USB, so has a USB-C fast charging. Alright. Okay, if you can see, these are the AKG headphones, and they're kind of braided, if you can see closely. Yeah, they're braided. They're nice. Alright. So they have these extra tips as well. So these are the AKG earphones, and they have these in-ear canal kind of earplugs. Oh, there's something in the box here. Okay, here's the SIM ejector tool. We can already see that. Okay, there's a plastic cover, which is not too hard or not too soft, which is good, and it's nice. What else? We have a quick start guide, we have a warranty card, and we have how to transfer content to your Galaxy phone. These are all kind of quick card start guides. Alright, let's have a quick physical overview. The front is glass, it's kind of curved. You have the white back here. You can see the 3 cameras, a flash. Let's see the bottom. You have the speaker grill, you have the microphone, you have the USB-C port, and you have the 3.5mm audio headphone jack, which is great actually. On the right you have the power button. On the other side you have the Bixby button, which is now remappable to any app you want to. And here's the volume rocker, up and down, quite tactile actually. On the top you have the second cancelling mic, and you have the SIM tray. Let's open it up and see. Alright, so we have a hybrid tray here. So you can put 2 nano SIMs or 1 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card. It's expandable up to 512 gigabytes. Alright, so device looks really nice. The good thing is that it's actually quite light. It's a 6.1 inch display and it's pretty light. And if you can see on the top here, you can even see the camera cutout. There you see. Anyway, let's turn this on, and meanwhile let's have a quick look at the specifications.
So here are the specifications. 6.1-inch Quad HD AMOLED display with a resolution of 3040 by 1440 pixels. Exynos 9820 octa-core chipset with 8 GB RAM, 128 GB and 512 GB internal memory storage variants. 3 rear camera setup, wide, portrait and ultra-wide cameras. 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. 10 megapixel front camera, Android version 9.0 Android Pie, and battery 3400 milliamperes.
Alright, so here is the S10 ready to rock and roll, and that display is gorgeous. Definitely one of the best displays I've seen on a smartphone. Truly beautiful. And it has this nice curve at the edges. And if you see right on the top, you can see the speaker grill, and you can see that camera.
And very smartly have they added wallpapers which actually have a black gradient on the right side. So the camera cut actually just blends into the wallpaper and you can't even see it. Let's have a look at some of the other wallpapers available. And there you see. Every wallpaper that they have given along actually has the dark gradient, black gradient on the corner, so that you cannot see the camera actually. It just blends in. But of course with other apps you can see it, and it's actually quite tiny. It's actually quite tiny. Unlike the S Plus, the S10 Plus, which has a dual camera setup, here there's just one, and I think it looks gorgeous. It's any day better compared to a notch. It just blends in. You can barely see it. So let's have a look at which version of Android is running on the S10. Alright, we have Android 9, Android 9 Pie. There you go. You have all the Google apps coming pre-installed. The photos, the YouTube Drive, Gmail, Maps, everything comes pre-installed. There is a little bit of bloatware as usual with all Samsung devices. Samsung Wearable, Samsung Health, all these other apps that actually you can't even remove. Okay, and you have the Apps Edge app where you can custom keep these apps for quick access.
So talking about the fingerprint scanner, it's now the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, where it is different from the regular optical one, the one we have on the OnePlus 6T, which is an in-screen. This too is an in-screen, but the difference here is there is no light emitted on your finger when you unlock it. It's actually just throwing sound waves at your finger, collecting your fingerprint and then unlocking it. Unlike the one on the 6T, which actually is like a little 2D camera underneath the screen, which just takes a picture. So technically this is more reliable, but the problem here is it's not as fast. As you can see, it takes its time, and then so the one we see on the OnePlus 6T is, I believe, a little faster, but of course with software updates this should get fast.
Did you know it can charge other devices wirelessly? Here's how to do it.
You come down and you see wireless power share, and you turn your phone, and now this side is actually a wireless charger. There you go. So now when you buy the Samsung earbuds, and if you have the new Apple AirPods, which are going to have the wireless charging, or if you want to charge your second phone wirelessly, you just use your Samsung Galaxy S10's wireless charging capabilities. Simply amazing. Also, something we have seen in other Android devices is available, that is dark mode. So you can go into displays, you can turn on to night mode, what they call it, dark mode. So then all your Samsung related, Android related stuff turns into black, turns into dark mode. Your calculator, everything, all default apps become dark.
Right, let's have a quick look at the camera. Let's have a subject in front. Okay, this is the regular camera. All right. Wow, that's good. That's the telephoto. So it has the zoom. It's fast as well. Oh, fabulous. I'm barely 5 inches away from the Shrek statue, and I really like the wide angle. It's beautiful. It's nice. Can we zoom in? Oh, oh, God. It's amazing. Really impressive. Live focus, pro version, where you can set the aperture, you can change so many other things. Great for professional photographers. So it takes all the points of a flagship device: amazing display, strong processor, decent battery, nice OS, camera is excellent, display is its plus point, it's the biggest selling point. 3 cameras, great, absolutely great.
So I hope you all really like this video. Write down in the comments and let me know if there are any questions regarding the S10. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, because there are going to be many more videos like these. And of course, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any notifications when new videos are uploaded. Until next time, cheers.